Some Gold IRA companies promise free silver if you open an account with them. But here's what they don't tell you. The silver usually isn't free. You're often required to invest a minimum, sometimes 50K or more. And the bonus is baked into overpriced fees or markup. Worse, some companies lock you in with long-term conditions or use the silver to distract you from poor buyback policies or high-pressure sales. It's a common marketing trick and it could cost you thousands. That's why we recommend using the company comparison checklist. I'll link it down below. It breaks down how these offers really work and gives you the questions to ask before you invest. It's totally free to download. Just check the link in the description. You will also get sections on hidden fees, buyback policies, and complaint history, so you can invest with confidence. Download the checklist below and avoid the companies that play games with your retirement.